Car evolution videos are getting massive views on YouTube Shorts, with some channels reaching 55 million views on a single video and many others hitting 51 million, 45 million, 39 million, and 18 million views. These videos are extremely simple to create and follow an easy car evolution format that anyone can replicate. You can make the same type of high-performing video using just one AI tool. It's not limited to one channel either. Other channels are also creating simple visual evolution videos based on smooth transitions and patterns and pulling in millions of views. You can easily do this with AI, so watch till the end to learn how to create these videos step by step. To make this type of video, you first need prompts, and I will give the link to these prompts in the description. When you click the link, the prompts will open in Google Docs. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will give you 5 image background prompts. These prompts will be used to create the main background for your image video. You can select any one of the prompts and use it to generate the image for your video. Copy any one of the prompts you like. For image generation, we will use higgsfield AI, and you will find its link in the description. Click the link, sign up, and log in. After logging in, the main interface will open. Hover your cursor over the image option and click on Create Image. A new image generation interface will appear. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. In the model section, select Nano Banana Pro. Then choose the aspect ratio 9:16. After that, click the Generate button. The background for your video will start generating. This background will be used as the main visual for your video, and you can keep it consistency. If you do not like the result, you can easily regenerate the background until you get the one you want. Once your background image is ready, return to Google Docs. Copy the second prompt completely, then go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will give you a car evolution list with different car model names. You can choose any model from the list or type your own idea. Select one car model, copy the model name, paste it into the chat box, and click Generate. ChatGPT will then give you 2 sections. The first section will list all the models of that car in order, and the second section will provide image prompts for each model. Using these image prompts, you can generate images for the car evolution video. After a short wait, your image prompts will be ready to use. First, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. Then go back to higgsfield, where you generated your background image. Upload the background image in the prompt box by clicking the plus icon. If you haven't downloaded the image yet, download it first using the download button, then drag and drop it into higgsfield. To generate the first image, copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and paste it into higgsfield. Then go back to Google Docs and copy prompt number 3, which is a short prompt. Return to higgsfield and paste this Google Docs prompt on top of the ChatGPT prompt you already pasted. Make sure the ChatGPT prompt remains below and the Google Docs prompt is on top. After pasting, select the Nano Banana Pro model and the aspect ratio 9:16. Finally, click the Generate button and your first image will start generating. Once your first image is ready, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, go back to higgsfield and paste this new prompt on top of the Google Docs prompt you used for the first image. You do not need to delete the Google Docs prompt, just leave it as it is. Delete the first image prompt from ChatGPT and replace it with the second image prompt. Then click the Generate button and the second car image will be created. Repeat this same process for all the remaining prompts, generating each car image one by one until you have all the images needed for your video. Once all your car evolution images are ready, click the Download button for each image and save them to your device. After downloading, you will see a video option in the top corner. Move your cursor over it and click on it. Then click the Create Video button. The main interface will open, and from here, you can easily convert all your images into a video. You will see the main interface. First, scroll down, and many models will appear. Click on the model selection, and from the list of models like Google VEO, Sora AI, and others, select Google VEO 3.1. After selecting, scroll back to the top and click on the Frame button. Here, upload your first image in the start frame and your second image in the end frame. Click the start frame and upload the first image you downloaded, Then click the end frame and upload the second image you downloaded. After uploading both images in the start and end frames, you will see a prompt box. Go back to Google Docs and copy prompt number 4 completely. Then return to Higgsfield in the video generation section and paste this prompt into the prompt box. Scroll down, select the aspect ratio 9:16, and set the video duration to 8 seconds, 6 seconds, or 4 seconds as needed. After setting these options, click the Generate button, and your images will start converting into a video. Wait for a while until your first video is ready. Then, remove the first 2 images you uploaded and upload the next 2 images you downloaded earlier, the third image as the start frame, and the fourth image as the end frame. Keep the same prompt, leave the all settings as they are, and click the Generate button. Your next images will start converting into a video. Repeat this process for all remaining images to create videos for each sequence. Once all videos are generated, download them one by clicking the Download button, and they will be saved to your device. After downloading all your videos, the next step is to edit them using CapCut. You can download CapCut from the link in the description. Once installed, open CapCut and click the Import button to add all the videos you generated with Higgsfield AI. Place them on the timeline in order. First clip first, then the second, third, and so on, so all videos are arranged sequentially. Next, you can add text to your video. Copy the car model names that ChatGPT provided and go back to CapCut. Click on the text button, then on the default text box that appears on your timeline. Paste the car model name into the text box. Move the text to the bottom of the video, then adjust its color and font as needed. Repeat this for every video clip, copying the correct car model name from ChatGPT for each segment. This way, each clip will show the car model name at the bottom, with your preferred style and formatting applied consistently across the video. After adding all the text, click on the Transition button to apply smooth transitions between your clips. You can also add effects to enhance the video. Once everything looks good, click the Export button to save your video to your device in one click. After exporting, you can promote your video by sharing the link. All the AI tools used in this process are listed in the description below, so you can easily access and use them.